Hey, welcome back, guys. It's TMD live in the building. Thank you so much, guys, for my video yesterday. It's already got to some decent view counts, and I got huge response. But today we're going to do something even more special. This is a garage kit that I purchased at Yellow Submarine. It's quite rare. It's called the HASE kit, and it's a kit that I've owned for quite some time, and it's really cool. Let's dive in, guys. So this says here that it was made in 2015. I've had some response about this kit from my group members in my Ma.K group and my own TMD group, and a few people are a bit shocked what this kit is. For people that do know what it is, I believe there was 3 in the series. I've got the other one called the Garnell, which we'll review on another video. It's a 120 scale kit. Comes in this bag. Whoa. There's many parts in this. Right, okay guys, so here we have the main bag over here. It's a beautiful kit, guys. It really is. These are the parts. It's got the guy's email there. Interesting. The old Yahoo days. It's kind of funny because I was talking to some friends about old Japanese emails when people had, this is pre-iPhone or smartphone, about emails in Japan. They kind of, they were like this, but sometimes they were even longer. It's really weird addresses. I just love this kit, man. So anyway, these are the main sections here. You got the pilot. Oh, you got some instructions for drilling and stuff like that. Awesome. Okay. Without further ado, guys, let's have a look at the casting and molding quality. This is the back section, or the cockpit, where the driver sits. So obviously, you can see here, you have to drill some holes in there for the piping. Looks all right. The front part of the cockpit looks clean. Tiny little bit of flash, as you can see, but no major problems. Presume that goes in there like that. Cool. And this is the front of the canopy, cockpit. Obviously here, just looking at it, I presume you can have it closed or open, right? So I don't know if you want to clean those lines up, but it doesn't look that bad. Again, it's got your guide marks for your pinning. Right leg. It's really nice, man. Real chunky. Some nub marks there where the casting was. Right leg. Right leg looks a bit like it needs some work. No major problems. You can see there. I got to remember not to put this so close to the camera because it doesn't autofocus very well. Now this, or these, are the arms in one cast. It looks very well molded, man. I'm surprised. Very surprised. It's very clean. Very nice. Good start so far, guys. So there you have it, man. That's the main sections there. Let me just dry fit this. See how it all looks. So, you know, you'd have something like that. Cool, huh? Right, moving into the smaller parts. I'm really interested by the pilot, but let's do that last. Some parts, the thumb was popped off somewhere. I think that could be the thumb there. Be careful with that one. It's on a bit of a sprue. I think that, if I can remember, what part's that? Ugh. I think that is for the inside, maybe. Come back to that one, guys. I think that fits somewhere like that somewhere. I think that goes horizontally. That. Or like that. Sorry, my bad. Like that. It fits like that. And that fits like that over there. What's interesting about this kit is it's got some flared sections at the back of the canopy, which is here, and I believe this part here flares out. It's like some kind of like pod or something. Can you see? So cool. So that's that part. Two flared parts. Obviously these are the side skirts. It's got a @Ma.K copyright, sorry. So those are the flares and the front body plate armor. I don't know where that one goes. Oh, that goes at the back of here. That's nice. That's a nice fit, man, to cover that that section there that opens the canopy up. It just hides that. Cool. It's a little bit off, as you can see here. It's not that flush. There is a gap. It's not major. It doesn't look too bad. I always worry about like parts like this because I always have stuff broken on my SAFs. The canopy, you know what I'm talking about, guys, on the SAF. The part here when you can have it open or closed. I always break that part. It's really finicky. So be really careful if you do ever get this kit with these parts, because it is resin. They are very fragile. They can snap. That's that part. And I think these small sections go with these two flared bits out here. And there's another one there. I don't know where that one goes. There's three. I think this is part of the driving, the hood. That goes with the lady. Right, I know you've all been waiting to see this. the Pied de la Resistance. Okay, I've seen a bit of weirdness. I know the camera's not going to pick this up. Let me find a tool to show you guys. Look at the sweat, man. This is how humid it is in Japan. It's crazy. Her, is it left eye? Seems a little bit weird. Her right eye is totally different. And it looks strange, so I don't know. That is a bit of an issue, but it's not major. I suppose if you were going to paint this, you could hide that with some shading and stuff like that, so you can make it all even. But regardless, I really like the details on the girl. Kind of reminds me of like Ghost in the Shell almost. If I can, I presume this somehow fits like that. And I don't know if, I think this fits in like that somewhere. Arms. The arms already have like these joints that you can just plug in. That's cool. Might need a bit of drilling out. Not bad. I won't put the other one in, but you get the general gist. So obviously with that pose on the picture, the front section actually, as you can see here, there's some marks here where it can open in and out. So it would be like this, going from the picture. I don't think there's any tubes included with the kit. I think you have to buy those separately. As I was mentioning yesterday about those wave coils. I'm trying to think. There are, like, again, guide points for your metal rods pinning. Does it go like that? That must go inside, surely. But obviously, if you decide to not have that option there, and you want the open look, it would be like this, with the driver being exposed like that. So this is an official Ma.K kit. I presume it might have been sold at Wonderfest maybe at some point. It's not a cheap knockoff. I don't want to mention any names or companies that do these as repros. If you're into Ma.K, you'll know which companies probably I'm talking about. They are from Hong Kong. And I can't remember how much I paid for this. I think it was round about 7,000 yen, if I remember. These these pipes and stuff like that, it does give you like the dimensions and length on how to cut them and like the thickness. I have a lot of these tools. It's just like electric. You can use like electric wiring and stuff like that. You just go to an electrical shop or go on eBay. So there's definitely some nice little add-ons. And again, there's no decal. Oh, yeah, there's no decals with this kit. So obviously, as you all know, if you do Ma.K kits, you always have spare decals in your set, depending on what kit you're building. So you can use some spares, or if you want to make this not like your own original Ma.K kit, you can add your own decals. But yeah, there's definitely room for upgrading it and making it look really nice. So thanks for watching, guys. That's another TMD Maschinen Krieger HASE review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, write in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.